Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nacho egg rolls updated. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and crisp tortillas lightly, then warm filling so it seals well. Chop jalapenos, onion, and cilantro finely and mix with seasoned beef, cheese, and a splash of lime. Spoon filling into tortillas, roll tightly, and brush with oil. Bake until golden and serve with salsa and crema for dipping. Make the filling flavorful but not wet, and always taste as you go. Brown ground beef with cumin, chili powder, and a pinch of salt until fully cooked, then drain. Stir in shredded cheddar and pepper jack for melt, and a little chopped jalapeno for heat. Finish with lime juice and chopped cilantro to brighten the mix. Cool slightly so the tortilla won't tear when you roll the egg rolls. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and brings you more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, which makes snack breaks and kitchen reads effortless and fun. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals related to today's gear and ingredients. Grab a bargain, and now let's get back to the video. Place a warm tortilla flat and spoon a line of filling across the lower third. Fold the bottom up, tuck the sides in, and roll tightly, sealing the edge with a touch of beaten egg or oil. Arrange seam side down on a baking sheet and brush lightly with oil for crispness. Bake at 400 degrees F for about 12-15 minutes or fry at 375 degrees F for 8-10 minutes until deeply golden and edges are crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.